Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Grabe,
much.
parang mula December hanggang ngayon, pilit na dinig pa rin namin sa social
Yeah,
media ang ali ng The Beatles. What was your reaction nung nag-aano na siya? Nag-boom na talaga sa TikTok.
Medyo ano
My reaction was, what the?
What is
What?
happening?
Is this really happening? Is this really? Is this real? Is this
Yeah.
because like like trending on TikTok? That wasn't on my bingo card for 2025 or 2026 for sure. It's a very welcome surprise. We're all very very happy about it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I want to thank everyone who danced to this and enjoyed it. By the way, really, thank you so much for enjoying the song.
Louie told me earlier, hindi kayo ma-TikTok.
Yes.
How did you find out
Yeah.
that it's getting the trend?
Yeah, so ayan, like I said, nga, hindi kami talaga ma-TikTok. And ngayon, that's interesting actually kasi parang dati kasi parang radio, parang yun yung parang main thing that the pop culture like get to parang be influenced. Right now pala it's like TikTok. It's not I don't think it's really like Spotify or kasi with all these music platforms parang ang nangyayari yung algorithm it isolates the people, but with TikTok parang no choice ka eh. Parang I think everyone's in TikTok, and if you hear it already, you just hear it already.
TikTok killed the radio star. Right?
Yeah, parang radio and TV. TikTok's like the new radio and TV, parang ganun, yeah. Yeah, kasi talagang again, I wanted to like share yung gratefulness of what's really happening here. I wanted to share my gratitude din. Talagang research ko. So again, the January sumabog yung I was like out of the country, sumabog siya. And I had to like parang check sino ba yung pinakauna, sino yung pinakaunang nag-dance nito. Tapos bilang I saw this profile, yun nga, yung si Elizabeth, and I noticed parang December pa niya stinart. And I checked her page and I checked that video. Wow, it has like 4M plus videos already. So,
Internet sleuth.
so
Talagang inano mo yung internet.
Sherlock
yes,
Holmes.
so
For sure.
medyo research talaga. Oh, yeah.